Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you how to deposit or withdraw from Kraken exchange. Kraken exchange is a platform for trading in cryptocurrencies where you can either buy a crypto or sell a crypto and make a profit from it. So let's dive in. So the first way is when you directly buy a crypto. So if you directly purchase a crypto, it goes directly into your account. So for example, here we can look for a coin to trade. So for example, I am going to trade the Ripple coin. So you can find what you actually want to trade. So I'm going to do this one, and what you can do is you can add your debit card to make a deposit. So you click on add card and you can add the information of your card payment. So for example, I have added mine. Make sure that your card is a Visa card. Then click continue, and after that you will be sent a one-time password to verify your transaction. So that's the first method. The second method is going to the funding and directly depositing to your account. And there's two methods that you can use to directly deposit to your Kraken account. So you can go ahead to funding, the funding section on the website, and go to deposit. So you can deposit either of these currencies, and all you have to do, so for example, I'm going to choose the US dollar. So you can either deposit directly from your bank or you can deposit through Eternal custody. This is a secondary platform where you can deposit your funds and access it into Kraken directly from there. So you can either use Eternal custody or you can deposit directly to Bank Freak. So go ahead to Bank Freak and you can copy the information. So you have to copy the IBAN number, the account number, and the reference code, and you use that information to make a direct deposit from your bank. And that is how you do it, guys. If you found this helpful, be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.